I still remember the acrid smell of burnt plastic and ruined Thanksgiving turkey when my notoriously unreliable electric range died mid-roast. Buying a new 36-inch range was a total nightmare. The appliance aisle is a chaotic maze of confusing specs and pushy salespeople. Choosing the wrong one guarantees years of uneven baking and sluggish boiling. I've thoroughly tested the top 36-inch electric ranges to separate the gimmicks from the greats. Stick around because our number one pick completely shattered my expectations. 7. Forno Massimo FFSGS 6125336BLK. This massive 36-inch dual-fuel freestanding range boasts a heavy-duty, striking black finish and robust, continuous cast-iron grates that command immediate attention in any kitchen layout. Featuring 6 seal burners and a highly spacious 5.36 cubic foot electric convection oven, it definitely looks and feels like a highly capable professional powerhouse ready to tackle enormous family meals without breaking a sweat. However, my actual hands-on cooking experience on the gas cooktop yielded surprisingly frustrating and highly inconsistent results. While testing the powerful 20,000 BTU front right burner, it managed to bring a massive stock pot of water to a rolling boil decently fast, but the overall flame control felt entirely unrefined. Simmering delicate, temperature-sensitive sauces was an ongoing, stressful struggle. Even the absolute lowest settings ran far too hot, requiring my constant, paranoid monitoring so that a simple hollandaise sauce wouldn't instantly separate and break. Transitioning my rigorous testing to the electric oven portion revealed even more glaring mechanical inconsistencies that heavily disrupted my workflow. It thoughtfully includes an air fry basket and boasts true European convection, which sounds absolutely fantastic on a spec sheet. However, during my baking stress tests with multiple heavy aluminum sheets of sugar cookies, the internal heat distribution was noticeably and severely uneven. The back right corner of the oven consistently baked significantly darker and crisper than the front left side. Because of these extreme, unpredictable hot spots, I had to constantly open the heavy oven door and manually rotate my baking pans to avoid burnt edges, which entirely defeats the core purpose of paying for a premium convection system. 6. Sline 36RA36. This 36-inch dual-fuel range features 6 heavy-duty Italian-made seal burners paired with a spacious 4.6 cubic foot electric convection oven, setting it up in my main test kitchen. The smooth glide oven racks and thick, visually impressive 3-layer insulated glass window gave off an incredibly premium first impression right out of the heavy cardboard box. Unfortunately, utilizing the cooktop for daily meal preparation yielded some deeply mixed and often frustrating feelings during my evaluation routine. The dual 18,000 BTU power burners deliver an intense, highly aggressive heat that is absolutely perfect for deeply searing thick ribeye steaks or bringing a massive, heavy stock pot to a rapid boil. However, I very quickly noticed that the heavy cast iron grates are spaced just a bit too widely apart. My smaller saucepans and butter warmers wobbled precariously, which felt like a genuinely frustrating and dangerous safety oversight. Moving my rigorous tests to the electric oven chamber, I put the convection cooking system to the ultimate test with a large, heavy holiday pork roast. While it ultimately managed to cook the thick cut of meat thoroughly, the initial preheat times were agonizingly and frustratingly slow. I routinely found myself standing around waiting almost 25 full minutes just to reach standard baking temperatures, which severely and consistently disrupts your workflow when you're frantically trying to throw together a quick weeknight dinner for a hungry family. Furthermore, the internal cooling fan that loudly kicks on automatically after you turn the oven off is incredibly disruptive and runs for an annoyingly extended period of time. While the heavy-duty Italian burners are an undeniable highlight, and the unit objectively looks beautiful sitting between custom cabinets, the incredibly slow preheating times, unsteady grates for small pots. 5. ILVUMI09NS3 MGC. This highly premium 36-inch freestanding induction range features a breathtaking graphite matte finish beautifully and elegantly accented with striking chrome trim. From the exact moment I carefully unpacked it, the meticulous, old-world European craftsmanship was immediately evident. It completely shifts the entire aesthetic of any kitchen into something that feels simultaneously vintage and brilliantly futuristic. Putting the advanced 5-zone induction smooth top through its absolute paces was a total, uncompromised joy. The electromagnetic heating technology is incredibly and flawlessly responsive, instantly reacting the precise second I dialed the highly sensitive touch sensor controls up or down. Boiling a massive, heavy pot of salted pasta water took mere minutes, and the incredible pinpoint precision at the lowest heat settings allowed me to melt artisan chocolate directly in a thin pan without ever needing a cumbersome, messy double boiler setup. Inside the 3.5 cubic foot electric oven, the daily cooking performance was just as deeply and undeniably impressive. I regularly utilized the highly convenient high-heat self-cleaning function and the incredibly accurate integrated temperature probe to perfectly execute a complex, slow-roasted pork shoulder. The bright digital temperature display ensures that there is absolutely minimal internal temperature fluctuation, and the high-end true convection system circulated heat beautifully, yielding an incredibly even, crackling golden crust on every single artisan loaf of sourdough bread I baked. While the 3.5 cubic foot oven capacity is admittedly slightly smaller than some of its massive, cavernous competitors on this comprehensive list, the brilliant inclusion of a highly convenient bottom dishwarming drawer makes fantastic, highly practical use of the available physical space. 4. Fulgur Milano 36-inch F6PR 365S1. The bold, heavy-duty stainless steel design features a beautiful, flawlessly smooth ceramic glass cooking surface and an absolutely enormous 5.7 cubic foot oven capacity. It immediately feels like a massive, permanent kitchen upgrade, effortlessly handling the heavy, constant demands of daily, messy family cooking. The 5 highly specialized induction zones are remarkably and aggressively powerful, featuring a dedicated, brilliant boost function that intelligently channels extra wattage exactly when you need a rapid, aggressive sear on a thick steak. During my highly rigorous, hours-long testing, the induction surface remained incredibly cool to the touch even after a full hour of intensive, high-heat cooking. This brilliant magnetic technology makes accidental burns a total thing of the past and makes cleaning up sticky, messy spills as simple as a single, quick wipe with a damp microfiber cloth. What genuinely and completely blew me away during testing was the massive multifunction oven, which highly smartly utilizes 2 separate, powerful fans for true, highly effective European convection. I confidently loaded all 3 internal extension racks with highly delicate, butter-rich pastries, and the internal heat circulation was so remarkably precise that every single item baked flawlessly with absolutely identical browning across the board. The deeply embossed glass window and incredibly bright 20-watt halogen lights allowed me to monitor the entire baking process perfectly without ever opening the door. This phenomenal, heavy-duty range also features highly tactile, professional-style heavy metal knobs alongside a highly intuitive, bright electronic touch display for the various complex oven functions. It seamlessly and flawlessly strikes a brilliant balance between classic analog physical feel and modern digital cooking precision. 3. Electrolux 36-inch ECFI 3668S. This visually stunning, highly modern stainless steel appliance proudly boasts a deeply spacious 4.4 cubic foot true convection oven and a flawlessly smooth, ultra-responsive 5-zone induction cooktop. The brilliant, seamless edge-to-edge glass and signature Electrolux pinstripe design give it an incredibly sleek, highly sophisticated profile that easily and naturally acts as the absolute focal point of any premium kitchen design. The highly powerful induction cooktop is where this specific machine truly and undeniably shines, specifically thanks to its brilliant, highly practical bridge feature. When I desperately needed to cook a massive, family-sized batch of Sunday morning pancakes, I simply and instantly linked two of the left side cooking zones together to perfectly and seamlessly accommodate a large cast iron griddle. The internal heat distribution was incredibly uniform from edge to edge, ensuring that not a single pancake was undercooked or burnt. Down below, the electric oven performance is spectacularly refined and heavily focused on completely taking the stress out of complex, multi-course meals. It features a brilliant, highly accurate integrated temperature probe that completely eliminates the nerve-wracking, frustrating guesswork from roasting large, expensive proteins. It actively monitored my whole chicken and automatically alerted my smartphone the exact second it reached a juicy, safe internal temperature. Additionally, the rapid steam clean option worked absolute wonders, easily softening baked-on grease rapidly without harsh chemical odors. Rounding out the incredibly premium luxury experience are thoughtful, high-end design touches like a beautifully engineered soft-close oven door that completely prevents loud, accidental slamming during a hectic dinner rush. It also features ultra-smooth telescopic gliding extension racks that make retrieving heavy, bubbling casserole dishes completely effortless, smooth, and physically safe. 2. Bosch 800 Series 36-inch his 8655U. Bosch is globally renowned and highly respected for its clinical, highly functional engineering. And this beautiful industrial chic stainless steel appliance is absolutely no exception to that golden rule. With a generous 3.7 cubic foot oven capacity and a brilliantly streamlined, slightly tilted ergonomic digital display, this appliance was clearly and intentionally designed to maximize everyday usability and seamlessly integrate flush into modern custom cabinetry. The advanced 5-element induction cooktop featured prominently on this Bosch model is incredibly intelligent and highly adaptable to your specific, unique cooking style. It heavily features their highly acclaimed Combi Zone technology, which flawlessly allows you to instantly merge two separate, independent cooking zones into one incredibly large, continuous heating area for oversized roasting pans. I rigorously tested the massive 5,500 watt power boost function on the center element, and it brought a giant stock pot of ice-cold water to a violent rolling boil remarkably fast. Inside the highly spacious oven chamber, the Advanced Convection Pro technology takes the traditional, standard baking experience to an entirely new, highly professional level. It brilliantly utilizes a dedicated, highly powerful third heating element surrounding the convection fan to consistently and evenly circulate thoroughly heated air across all internal racks simultaneously. I boldly and confidently baked 3 separate batches of highly delicate, finicky macarons at the exact same time, and every single cookie emerged with perfect texture and absolutely zero hotspot discoloration. Absolutely everything about the brilliant Bosch 800 series feels deeply intentionally and carefully crafted to make your daily culinary life significantly easier and vastly more enjoyable. The smooth, beautiful ceramic glass surface cleans up absolutely perfectly with a single effortless wipe, and the heavy-duty metal control knobs provide highly satisfying, precise tactile feedback that demanding home chefs will absolutely love. 1. KitchenAid 36-inch KFIS 9 36SSS. This absolute culinary masterpiece features a sprawling, incredibly cavernous 5.1 cubic foot oven capacity, 6 completely independent, high-powered induction elements, and a rugged, professional-grade stainless steel exterior that commands immediate respect. It flawlessly and effortlessly bridges the wide gap between high-end, highly demanding restaurant performance and everyday, accessible home convenience. Uniquely, the massive edge-to-edge cooktop offers an incredible 6 identical 3,700-watt induction zones that can be operated individually or effortlessly linked together to create massive, continuous bridge elements. This provided me with completely unmatched, absolutely mind-blowing versatility during my extreme culinary stress tests. I was able to simultaneously simmer delicate, highly temperature-sensitive sauces on the right side, while powerfully searing multiple thick, heavy steaks on an oversized cast-iron plancha on the left, all with absolute pinpoint temperature control. The massive 5.1 cubic foot electric oven is just as incredibly revolutionary and boundary-pushing, particularly because of its phenomenal, highly effective no preheat air fry mode. I confidently loaded the included large-capacity air fry basket with a massive mountain of chicken wings and frozen French fries. The brilliant, highly engineered true bow tie convection system rapidly circulated the aggressively hot air and delivered incredibly crispy, perfectly golden results without me ever having to wait for a frustrating, time-consuming preheat cycle to finish. The KitchenAid generously and thoughtfully includes premium satin glide rollout extension racks that effortlessly and incredibly safely handle the absolute heaviest cast iron Dutch ovens without ever binding, sticking, or scraping the delicate enamel walls. With its incredibly powerful, hyper-responsive induction technology, massive usable interior, and absolutely brilliant convection system, this phenomenal range easily leaves all the fierce competition completely in the dust.